Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, and you can see why we haven't been able to do many updates. We're trying to get back to the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. But on our way, I told you we had a winter storm track through the Midwest and Great Lakes. All things were all golden as the roads were clear until we got on the south side, directly due south of Lake Michigan, at the southern end of it, and a lake effect snow band had worked its way through here today. And I-80, Interstate 80 has been shut down, or what looked to be shut down, as it started to snow very heavily and quickly in this area. I had 2 or 3 inches of new snow just now, and there was a massive major accidents on east and westbound. So I was forced off the freeway. As you can see, this is obviously not a freeway, and I have to take surface streets until I get far enough south or far enough southwest away from the tip of Lake Michigan to get away from this snow band to get back on the highway, because that Interstate 80 went beautiful to snowing lightly, but sort of like a misty snow, so it was making ice, right? And I could tell the freeway was going to have major problems, so I slowed the fuck down. And then right as we came over a hill, it went from being what looked to be wet roads to massive amounts of snow on the roads, and there were multiple accidents right in a row on both sides of the freeway where it started becoming hilly. And the cops were there, and I got off at the next exit because by the look of the officer in the road, it did not look like the freeway was open once you got a little bit past there, because traffic was not moving. So I said, fuck that. We'll take surface streets, go southwest until we work our way 10 or 15 miles southwest of the lake, and we should be all golden, and we can hop back on a major freeway southbound, right? But this just added 2 fucking hours to my drive. But that's why we don't have many updates, because we've had a busy day, and trying to work through the weather, it's impossible to be on my phone and drive on a freeway when you could see it was going to be icy, but it wasn't icy yet because it was just snowing very lightly and misty, and then that disaster happens. But here's a quick look at the coins real quick before I hit this next major intersection to where I have to figure out where I'm going. You can see Bitcoin is not really doing anything right now. It's holding firm, same as when we talked last time, right? You can see that it's still bouncing on the 200, or it's below the 200-day with the green moving average, and it's hitting the orange fib circle right now. And if it can't hold that, you're coming back down to 41,969, right? Then if you look at XRP, what we'll finish up with real quick until I get to safer driving conditions, which isn't going to be for another fucking hour because this sucks. This is going to be a slog. It's a cool scene. I love the snow, but I didn't think I was going to hit any snow like this. I thought I would hit a little bit, but not something to shut a freeway down. Right now, that's why I waited a little bit later in the day. But you can see XRP, it's on its major support zone. It looks like we're in this head and shoulders topping reversal pattern, or not even a topping, a midway consolidation to our way to our ultimate low target, right? And you can see we're in the right shoulder right now. So your lower support and the neckline would be that white support box. And if you can keep bouncing above the bottom line, part of the white support box, you're bullish. If you crash through that, you're underneath supports way down there at 58 cents. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing live from the greater Gary, Indiana area, in the Heartland state, right? Or whatever they call this motherfucker. And a snowy Gary, Indiana is what they should call it. The snow capital, Indiana. Gary, Indiana, live reporting with a closed freeway, slippery travels, and still 180 miles of travel left. Peace and love from Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing.